All right, this is my third attempt to make this video, but people keep calling me. Leave a comment if you have this problem. All right, we're going to show you how to change the primer bulb on your trimmer. This can work on various equipment from weed eaters to leaf blowers. As long as the bulb is mounted directly to the carburetor, this will work for you. On this one, it's pointed up, so we're going to take this air cleaner cover off to give us access. Now, some of these are going to have 4 screws and some are only going to have 2. So the first thing you're going to want to do is use your screwdriver. Loosen these. Now, of course, I'm leaking gas out. So make sure you do it with a paper towel or a bowl or empty of gas. All right, we got both out. Take that off. All right, now there's our primer bulb. So if you had a new primer bulb, you just put that in there. All right, put it back together, pump it and make sure it works. Now, a note, when you take the screws out, it holds the part of the carburetor assembly that's below it together. So don't bump that and knock it loose. You might damage the gasket or get dirt in there. As for the screws, use a hand-operated screwdriver, not an electric screwdriver and not any type of power tool, because you do not want to strip the carburetor out. If you have any questions, leave a comment. If you like the video, like this video and subscribe for more.